gamers, and welcome to Cooking Mama Cuisine, the Cooking Mama game on an Apple service. This is gonna be one hell of a ride. Summer underway, event period, okay. Oh, I can't read that. You got a new design has been added. Okay. Sunday only. Meat, tomatoes, pan, potatoes, carrots. Okay. Change design. Cool. Recipe book. So I did a bit. Wait. And then I'm gonna pick potatoes and carrots and tomatoes. Let's go. Let's try this. Let's try to slice the meat. Wow, this is a directive. It's crazy how there's a Cooking Mama game on Apple Arcades. She speaks in this game, but for some reason it won't let me record her voice. So peel the skin. Oh, it's really easy, okay. Okay. The carrot is complete. And potato. So we're having a single potato and a singular carrot. I don't think that's going to be enough, to be honest. Cut the ingredients. Do the action as indicated. Okay, cut. Oh. I know how to cook carrots. Yeah, pretty good. I can do that personally, but oh, you just tap. Took a simple round. Apple, tomato. Oh, put that off. Okay. But seriously, Apple Arcade, Cooking Mama. This is ridiculous. Grill the meat. Or what? Oh. You're gonna do it when it's got the yellow bit. Let's go, gamers. I did all. I have the meats. I do not argue. Me. I have the meats. Shut up. Boil it. Red wine. Alcohol. Love it. Oh, I did that wrong. pepper. I don't go. It didn't tell me what to do. It was just like, which one? But it didn't tell me how to put it in. That looks terrible. Shut up. Shut up, Mama. You're mean to me. So let's see what I made. That is not what I made. I did not make that. Wait, I didn't even put the carrots and potatoes in. This is a weird game. A new design. I don't care. Present. Onion. Onion. Tomatoes, carrots, food. Let's try it. Yeah, probably some like vegetable stew. You can just hold down. Let's go. I did it. I did the carrot and the potato. The singular potato and the singular carrot. This game is very repetitive. Because half of the ingredients are the same for every single recipe. Jeez. Okay, the one. The onion. Hells yeah, bro. Okay, so you just. Oh, wow. Hooray! I'm running out of time. Pluck. Slice. Like, slice. Oh, that's easy. I had a bit of time left. Oh, it's a stir fry. What? So where's like the noodles or something? I think they tried to add realism mixed with cartoons. It's like Who Framed Roger Rabbit, except none of the time and effort put into it. Stir it. Water. Tomato. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna keep it. Go. Kaboom! Another dish complete. Dun dun dun. No, no. Congratulations! Congratulations. Shouldn't be congratulations. I made minestrone. Where did that bread come from? Is that even bread? That looks moldy. Wow. I love this game. If I ever saw someone wearing that, I would just like politely shoot them in the face to put them out of their misery. Well, this game is weird. It's just like Nintendo was like, well, how can we make one of our good IPs into something shit? I know. We send it to Apple. Well, anyway, gamers, that's all the time we have today. So, see you tomorrow.